The Daily Code Snippet. We are continually looking for alternatives to JPEG that have more support, better compression efficiency, and more features. One of the newer image file formats: HEIC, HEIF, WEBP, and AVIF. HEIF images have better quality and are half the size of JPEG. HEIF supports 16-bit color and transparency. Edits like crop and rotate can be saved without altering the image, so these can be undone. HEIC, or High Efficiency Image Container, was adopted in 2017 by Apple in iOS 11 and macOS High Sierra. HEIC images are 50% smaller than JPEG. This allowed Apple devices to store more images because file sizes were reduced. Windows 10 and higher and Android P are starting to support HEIC, but older systems would need the image to be converted to JPEG when sharing. What is the difference between HEIC and HEIF? HEIF is based on HEVC, or High Efficiency Video Compression, aka the H.265 codec by the Moving Pictures Group. HEIF is a file format for storing individual images or sequences. HEIC is a container format that can contain HEIF images and sounds encoded with the HEVC format. HEIC can store both image and video files. WebP is considered a modern image format with superior lossless as well as lossy compression. WebP can result in smaller, richer images that make the web faster. They are 25% smaller than PNG. Lossy WebP images are about 30% smaller than JPEG. Lossless WebP supports transparency. WebP is natively supported by Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Opera. AVIF is a super compressed image type that is superior to JPEG, PNG, and WebP for image quality. It was created to be open source and royalty free. Compared to JPEG, AVIF is smaller by 50%. Compared to WebP, AVIF is smaller by 20%. It can support a wide variety of codecs, can be lossy or lossless, and supports transparency. It can also store a series of animated frames, so is a lightweight form of a GIF. AVIF can support high dynamic range or HDR color support for higher brightness and color bit depth. As of July 2021, Google Chrome 85 and above, Opera 71 and above, Android 91 and above, Opera Mobile 62 and above, Chrome for Android 91 and above, Samsung Internet 14 and above, Mozilla Firefox 77 and above. Note: not supported by default, and features are limited depending on the version of Mozilla Firefox. Presented by Designers Learn Code.